Devanand Swamiji had some breakfast in his life. Me and Shivachidanji Maharaj, we went to some school nearby. We met a principal. And we told we are on the way to our Imphal. Like this with the landing. If you don't mind, we can address your kids. So we had a big maja talking to the kids also, satsang. And he said, so, my elder brother is a president of the Sanatan Dharam Mandir here. Would you like to come in the evening and address? We'll make a big gathering. God's wills are different, God's ways are different, God's needs are different. What Gurudev's Leela we can't understand. We went there, we conducted a satsang. Devanand Swamiji did a number of kirtans. We bought tar and then we opened a branch of the Divine Love Society in Silchar and we came back. Then we went for 5-6 days stays in Imphal. When we arrived back, Gurudev met us in Calcutta on our way to Hamira Gachi, Sadhana Shivir. Gurudev putting his hand on my neck, he said, I hope on your way to Imphal you had not much difficulty in the flight. I had no reply. I had only tears in my eyes. Because he is Anuraniyan Mahato Mahiyan. Upanishad says so, Tade Jati, Tanne Jati, Taddure, Tadvantike. He is here, he is there, he is everywhere. He is sitting, he is standing, he is running. This is what we have seen Gurudev. Gurudev, when he was a Sridhar Rao, when Krishna Swamiji was only Subba Rao, when they came from South India to Rishikesh, they had a big break in a Kashi, in a Varanasi. In those days it was not Banaras, Varanasi. And they stayed in a Shankar Math. Those days manager used to be Sridhar Bhatt. So they had a good remembrance and respect for Sri Sridhar Bhatt, happened to be a manager also. It so happened the years rolled. One day Gurudev Sri Swami Chidananji Maharaj came to know that Sridhar Bhatt is ailing with a tuberculosis, becoming lean and thin. If you throw a spit, also comes with the blood. Gurudev took me with him to Kashi. We brought him in a first class up to Haridwar in a special taxi in Shivanand Bhavan. I used to stay on those days. Now, Gujarat when we made a Shivanand Bhavan. Room number 1, Swamiji asked me, what is your program? Nothing. Don't go anywhere out until I ask you. You look after Bhaji. Very good. He was in number 2. Gurudev has given us a big opportunity to serve God in a living constitution. I have to help him and clean his stool. He was not able to get up. He was not able to turn by himself. Urine, washing his clay, giving him the sponge. Doctor will come up after every alternate day from Dehradun and he says health is deteriorating. I used to get a water from Gangaji and used to give a sponge to him and all. One fine evening I found around 7 o'clock or so that his breath is may continue or may not. Dr. Kutti Maharaj used to stay in the same building upstairs. Dr. Aruna Mataji somehow on that particular day came to see her. And in our building only Dr. Rao from Tanakku used to stay. I asked Dr. Rao, please come and see. He has seen pulse, he has seen eyes. Swamiji is no more dead. Say, call Dr. Kutti Mataji. Before she come, I ran to Guru Nivas, just in the front of it. Swamiji was making his evening tea. Half loin cloth, knees are also out, body is naked body, only one small little towel. Gurudev, Sridhar Bhattji, he never allowed me to swim. No, he said like that. And he walked. Not even walking. In the ear of Sridhar Bhattji, he made almost 30 minutes Trambaka Mejamed, seeing that Guruji Maharaj has come, all in guests were staying in a Shivan Bhavani Brahma. They were gathered. They all started chanting. After half an hour, Gurudev is told, don't stop until I ask you to come stop. He went to the ashram. In ashram, he stopped everything. Our satsang time is from evening 7:30 to 9. Stopped lecture, lecture. And then he started. Everyone started knowing what's happening. Aruna Mataji was a pediatrics doctor. Kuti Mataji was a gynec doctor. Because Gurudev has asked us, we can't stop it. We continued. It was a great surprise after 1.5 hours or so. I can feel that he started breathing. His tummy was slowly coming up and going down. I called Kuti Mataji. Kuti Mataji. She said, I can't believe Swamiji. Again she is seeing the eyes and pulse. I went down to Gurudev in Samadhi Mandir, where they were continuing Om Trambakam Yajamhe. Normally satsang is 7:30 to 9. It was already 9:45 or something like that. I just went, Gurudev, yes, I know. Say like that. Then he asked everyone, come, one, come, one, come. We made a chart that morning 4 to 5, 5 to 6. Each 1 hour, four people should sit together and do Mrityunjay Mantra Japa in front of a Vishwanath temple. There was not such a big corridor in those days. No, it's open veranda. 11 days we have not closed the Vishwanath temple. Continuous 24 hours ashram had a Mrityunjay Mantra Japa. It never happened in the history of the Divine Life Society Shivananda Ashram Rishikesh. This Sridhar Bhattji, after 2-3 days, he started turning by himself. He never turned earlier. One day he was sitting up. And he came and sat in the veranda. He says, Dhyatmananji, do you think I can have my saving razor? It's possible I can have a newspaper. Then in our ashram we used to have an old party, a grandmother like Sanyasini Mataji, Akhilanand Mataji. She called upon me. He used to tell me, Krishna, oh Kanna, now Chidananda is sending this Sridhara Bhatta back to Kashi. I told yes. No. Tell Chidananda. I have told no. But why? Sridhara Bhatta मर गया. अभी वो उनका बीबी का पति नहीं है. उनका नया शादी कराओ. फिर भेजो. I can't believe. I told to Gurudev. Gurudev says, if she said it's like that, we have to do it. After a month or so, when Sridhar Bhattji was feeling just fit and going up and down in the temple from Shivanand Bhavan, room number 2 to Vishwanath temple, then we invited his wife, children and all, and then we had a full-fledged regular Kalyanam, their wedding. Afterward, though, Sridhar Bhattji lived for 5-6 more years. Guru ki mahima, apara mahima, Guru mahima, apara mahima, Guru mahima, anuraniyan Guru mahima, anuraniyan Guru mahima, anuraniyan Guru mahima, mahato mahiyan Guru mahima. They say so. Pushpadanta ji is writing in the end of, he is a very famous writing that stotra, Asitagiri samam shatkar jalam sindhu patre, surataruvar sakha lekini patra murvi, likati adigrahitva, sharada sarvakalam, tadapi tava gunanam isha param nayati. Hindi we say, सात समुंदर मसी करूं, लेखनी करूं मन राय, सब धरती कागज करूं, गुरु की महिमा न कही जाए. In case I make all the 7 seas as a ink, and the whole earth as a paper, and all the woods a pen, And if the God Himself comes and dictate me, we can't be very much loyal and faithful to singing the glory of our Guru. I'm so very happy to be with you all, sharing my memories, and I believe that now Devanand Swamiji is no more. I'm sure Shiv Chidanji Maharaj must be very much aware of it. The letter what we received from Calcutta airport to go to Imphal, and then of course some people maybe Karthikeyanji may be knowing about this episode, because many all other old people have gone about the reviving of Bhattji, Sridhar Bhattji. Hari, Ananta Hari, Katha Ananta, the glory of the God, there is no end of it. Let us pray. We should be loyal and faithful to us, to be befitting disciple of the Gurudev, and follow his instruction, follow his footsteps, and rejoice the supreme blessedness and abide in the bliss. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Namo Narayan. I was sharing my remembrance with the Guru Maharaj. You see, it's our fortune that we are born and brought up when Guru Maharaj himself has taken an incarnation upon this earth. When he walked, we walked. When he was breathing, we were breathing along with him. We have seen him, we have touched him. He has given prasad with his own hand. You see, more and more you think of the Gurudev. Not a monk with a close, but tena tyaktena bhunjitaha ma gradakasa siddharam. His renunciation is excellent, par excellence. I can't forget whether anyone can do like this or not. It is only Gurudev Swami Shivanandaji Maharaj can do, and his disciples can do. Gurudev Swami Shivanandaji Maharaj was known as a given and spend, he will send. Swami Chinmayanandaji Maharaj also is Gurudev Swami Shivanandaji's student only initially. Earlier when he used to travel only in a train with all silken cloth and big border and having a golden ring and golden watch and in the stick also gold. In a train, people keeps on coming every station and people bring hell of a things and keep on distributing. In a first class, in those days there was no air condition. Front was a very middle-aged Marwari couple was sitting there. That lady kept on seeing Swamiji all the time. That why is he wearing a silken cloth with a big border, a golden ring, golden chain with a rudraksha, golden watch, and the stick also is gold. What is this? Not even that. Snuff also, but a small little pocket. Once one station people came and kept something to eat for Gurudev, Swami Chinmayanandaji Maharaj on a table. Gentleman says, Gurudev, you see I have to go for 2 more stations with you and you kindly eat very slowly. No, it has. And the silver plates and silver bowls and all. This Marwadi couple, when they were eating, they never asked and offer any food. Gurudev said, Mataji, kuch prasad lijiyega. No, she said like that. But then she was reacted. She asked us, Swami, okay, are you a monk? Then Swami Chinmayanandaji Maharaj said, yes, I'm a monk. Why you are having so much of gold? Oh, that is what. Worshipful revered Sri Swami Chinmayanandaji Maharaj removed a ring, and in the moment when you throw it away behind, out of the window, that lady was shocked. Mataji, हमने एक फेंक दिया, आप भी एक फेंको. लेडी के राम का मारा मैं क्यों फेंकूं? बोले इसलिए you are not a monk and I am a monk. Gurudev Swami Chidanandaji Maharaj is to be invited years after years by Birla family in Calcutta. Worshipful and revered Sarladevi Mataji used to invite, and her son Aditya Birla ji used to organize Gurudev's discourse for a week or so in a Kala Mandir, one drama theatre they own by themselves. Unfortunately, Aditya Birla passed away very young age. Then it was a thought that this year we are supposed to, because Sarladevi Mataji said so. Gurudev, Aditya was very keen that you have to come. If Aditya ji has told, we will come. And we went there. In the end of the program, Sarla Mataji brought in a big silver plate with a beautiful silken cloth and one rosary, a girl and a necklace made out of the pearls, varieties of colors. I don't know the English names, gems and whatnot. In Hindi we say Moti, Manik, Hira, Panna, like that. So beautiful, glittering. Gurudev, this has been made by Aditya. That Gurudev is not accepting a flower garland, this time will give. Of course, if Aditya ji has told, I will take it. I am having another cloth underneath. Gurudev never used to have it. Only this. And then Swamiji Maharaj had it and covered with a cloth. From there we arrived in a house. It was pre-planned and organized when Jitendra Mohan Goswami, that he happened to be a Secretary General of South Eastern Railways. So he is invited about 1,200 people for a satsang. When satsang over, this Mr. Goswami ji, he brought one old man, very poor. He was a renowned cinema actor, Harindranath Chattopadhyay, in 60s, but now very poor condition. Gurudev, I know him. He used to come to Gurudev Swami Shivanandaji Maharaj. Apni kemon achen? Swamiji is given a hug and slowly removing that necklace given to him by Sarladevi Birla Mataji in his neck. As if nothing happened, as if you are shaking a hand and saying namaste, like that is given. That man was looking like that. He was a pauper. We don't know he had a food properly in so many days or not. He was looking like that. Gurudev has told, इस थोड़ा कीमती है, संभाल के रखो. This little more valuable, more of the price, take carefully. Receiving these gems, not happiness, in giving, no sadness. Sukha dukkha same kritva labha labho jaya jayo. Is it happiness or unhappiness? It's an earning or a losing. Mind is calm. Mind is calm. Mind is calm. I seen my master Gurudev Swami Chidanandaji Maharaj like this. He will surprise. Once it so happened that Gurudev asked us, to me, Swami Adhyatmananda, worshipful and revered Sri Swami Devanandji Maharaj. On those days, our Orissa Swami Shivananda Centenary Memorial Boys High School's chief, revered Sri Swami Shivachidananji Maharaj, was not a monk. He was known as a Chittubai. And Gurudev used to say Chittu Swami. All three of us, Gurudev asked us to go to Calcutta, and from Calcutta to go to Manipur, Imphal. And we were having some program in Orissa, in Jaipur, in all Divine Life Society. When we arrived at Calcutta airport, before we board a flight, there was an announcement. Hello, your attention please. Your attention please, Swami Adhyatma, Swami Dev and Chitu Swami, flying to Imphal by flight number so and so, are requested to collect one essential information and letter from the inquiry counter. Thank you, God bless you. In Bangla also they announce, in English also, in Hindi also. I went there. The lady gave a smile. You are Swami Adhyatma? Yes. Take this. I asked. There is no stamp. Open letter. How it has come? A traveler came from Delhi to Calcutta, early morning flight, and this was given to us in our office to deliver to you before you fly to Silchar, before you board to Silchar. Very good. Standing there only I open. Guru Maharaj's handwriting. On the top also Guru Maharaj's handwriting. Outside is written Puja Sri Swami Adhyatmanji Maharaj, flight number so and so, Calcutta to Silchar, so and so. But inside is right, Dear Swami Adhyatma, Sri Chitu Swami and Swami Dev, loving pranams. Om Namo Narayanaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Shivanandaya. Wish you a happy and safe journey. Go and come back. God bless you, Swami Chidananda. There is nothing very special, but why he said like that? I took this letter to Swami Devanandji Maharaj and Chittaranjan Mohanty ji. They also read it. They were happy, Gurudev's blessing. When we boarded the flight went up, and when we were passing through Silchar, before that, there was a hue and cry in the flight. Flight was going like this, unexpected. There was a smoke. We had a fear of the fire. There was a panic. It was a small flight, about 120 something like that, not a big flight. It was like this. I took that paper. I read it. I was up. Om! Everyone shout. Don't be panic. There is a blessing from my Gurudev. We will be having a safe journey to Imphal and will come back also safe. Here is the certificate. Keep quiet. And before any big mishap happened, we had a flash landing. Flash landing means they didn't make any announcement. Make your chair straight, tie up your belt, close your table, nothing. Just flash landing. And quickly we were asked to vacate the flight with our hand baggages. Now they say so that now we'll be going Imphal tomorrow until another flight comes. We had not so many airlines, only the Indian Airlines was functioning. So we have to wait. And these Indian Airlines people, they have peace. And Gurudev came back. Dr. Sahib asked, who is this man? Since many years he is staying here and he is cleaning all this place here. All temples outside, not inside. Mountain and nearby places. He is a local appointed scavenger. Not only at one place, all the places you see. One day we were in Gandhinagar, in Gujarat's capital, and Governor, I don't forget, Shataben Mukherjee, she was a governor. And when function over, then Shataben Mukherjee was so much inspired by Gurudev, so she came to see of us in a circuit house. The first floor, when we came, one scavenger was cleaning the floor by seeing Governor Sahib, Swamiji Maharaj, police also, number of people. He went in the corner, keeping his broomstick behind the back, and standing like this. Gurudev went and holding his shoulder, he says, Jai Shri Krishna, this is a Gujarat way of saying. Jai Shri Krishna, UP they say Ram Ram Ji. Jai Shri Krishna. He has to leave the jhadu and say, Jai Shri Krishna. Gurudev asked, Aapka naam kya hai? Babu. What's your name? Babu. Babu is a name in Gujarati, but in Hindi, Babu is a government clerk. So Gurudev said, अच्छा, आप कौन से दफ्तर का बाबू हैं? Is it so? You are Babu, the clerk, in which office? Oh Maharaj, I am not a Babu in a clerk. My name is Babu. I am only cleaning the floors and street. Gurudev has put his hand in his neck and saying so. Don't worry, we both do the same thing. You are cleaning outside, I am cleaning inside. Come with me. Bringing him in his personal big room. In one sofa, the governor, respected lady governor sitting there. And here, Swamiji Maharaj sitting with this coven chair. And with so much of love asking his welfare, his parents, his wife, his children. Then he went inside, got some abundance and fruit, sweet packet, and 500 rupees. In those days, 500 is like 5 lakhs. Both अच्छे, very good. The governor cannot understand what's happening. This is what Swami Chidananda. All reality, all compassion, all purity of the heart, all divinity. Many a time I am thinking, Gurudev Sri Swami Shivanandaji Maharaj is told, serenity, regularity, absence of vanity, sincerity, simplicity, veracity, equanimity, fixity, non-irritability, adaptability, humility, tenacity, integrity, nobility, magnanimity, charity, generosity and purity brings immortality. I think Gurudev must be in a haste, so written only 18 it is, but you find in Gurudev Swami Chidananda Maharaj number of such divinities.